Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing the super important topic for anyone looking to boost their local SEO ranking: how to rank higher in Google's local search results and the map pack. Local SEO can make a huge difference if you're a business owner trying to get more local customers. The Google Map Pack is the section of the search results where local businesses appear, and if you're not in it, you're missing out. But how do you rank there? That's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to take a look at the key factors that Google uses to rank businesses in the map pack and categorize them into a tier list from A tier to F tier, depending on how important each factor is. Now, before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. This is a general guide based on industry trends and research. SEO is constantly changing, so it's essential to keep up to date with best practices. But for today, let's dive into the core ranking factors for local SEO and break them down. Keywords in landing page. Title. Your landing page title is like the first impression for Google. Including your targeted local keywords, like your city and the main service you offer, right in your landing page title can significantly improve your chances of ranking for those terms. For example, if you're a dentist in Kansas City, your title should say something like Best Dentist in Kansas City or Kansas City Dentist. This is one of the easiest wins for SEO, so make sure to include your keywords here. 2. Complete Google Business Profile. One of the most important things you can do for local SEO is to complete your Google Business Profile. This includes filling out all of your business info: name, address, phone number, website, and most importantly, ensuring your business is verified. 3. City name in website content. When Google looks at your website, it needs to understand where you're located. One of the easiest ways to help Google with this is to include the name of your city and surrounding areas in your website content. For example, if you're a plumber in Austin, use phrases like Trusted Plumber in Austin. Now let's move on to B tier. These factors should be part of your strategy to rank well, but they are not as critical as the A tier factors. 1. Keywords and business name. If you can do it the right way, including your business name in your Google Business Profile with the main keyword you're targeting is beneficial. For example, if you're Bob's Plumbing and you serve the Dallas area, you could use a business name like Bob's Plumbing, Dallas Plumbers. You want it to sound natural and not spammy. 2. Positive Google reviews. Google reviews are extremely important for ranking in local SEO. Google trusts businesses that have positive feedback from customers. In fact, businesses with more positive reviews have a much better chance of ranking higher in the map pack. 3. Quality versus quantity of reviews. It's not just the number of reviews that matters, but the quality. So while it's great to have a high quantity of reviews, the quality of those reviews matters a lot as well. 4. Service pages on website. Create service pages that describe each of your offerings in detail. Having well-structured and informative service pages on your website helps Google understand what you do. 5. Internal links. Using internal links within your website helps both Google and visitors navigate your site easily. Internal linking is also important for distributing link equity across your pages. This is a relatively small but important factor in your local SEO efforts. 6. Landing page headlines with keywords. Including relevant keywords in the headlines on your landing pages gives Google important context about what that page is about. Now, let's look at the C tier factors. These are good to have, but are not essential. 1. Physical location, closeness to city center. Where your business is physically located does play a role in local SEO. The closer your business is to the city center or main residential areas, the better your chances are of ranking. 2. City center business location. If you are located within a city's central business district, that can help as well. But again, don't stress if you're not in the heart of the city. This factor is important, but it's far from the most important. 3. Service area. A service area is helpful for businesses that serve multiple areas outside their immediate vicinity. It doesn't directly impact ranking, but it's useful for defining the boundaries of your service to customers and can increase visibility. 4. Keywords in Google Business Profile. Including keywords in your Google Business Profile, for example, dentist in your title, can help, but only if it fits naturally. Now let's talk about the D tier factors, which you can do when you have extra time. These are not essential for ranking, but they can still help. 1. Consistent citations refer to mentions of your business on other websites. It's important to make sure your business is listed on reputable directories like Yelp or Yellow Pages. While they don't have as much impact as other factors, they can still help with consistency across the web. 2. Backlinks from external websites. Building backlinks from other authoritative websites is always a good SEO practice. However, for local SEO, this factor is less impactful than the ones we've already mentioned. 3. Internal links. As mentioned earlier, internal links help users navigate your website. and they can spread link equity across your pages. While not crucial for local SEO, it's still a good practice for improving user experience and SEO overall. Finally, there are the F-tier factors, things that just aren't going to make a difference for local SEO anymore. 1. Social signals. While social media is essential for engaging with customers, social signals, like the number of likes or shares, have no direct impact on your local SEO ranking. 2. Geotagging images. Geotagging images used to be a small ranking factor, but now it's not nearly as important for local SEO. It's a waste of time to worry about. 3. Using keywords excessively in your Google business profile. Finally, using keywords too often in your Google business profile can actually harm your ranking. Google has cracked down on keyword stuffing, so always aim for a natural, user-friendly approach. And that's a wrap on our local SEO ranking factors tier list. Focus on your Google business profile, using local keywords in your website content, and getting positive reviews. By prioritizing these factors, you'll be in a much better position to rank higher in Google's map pack and attract more local customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. And visit www.udfmarketing.com for more information about business in the age of AI. See you in the next video.